Are you on the hunt for a truck that blends classic style and raw performance? Take a look at this 2019 Ram 2500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4 in billet silver. With painted front and rear bumpers, front fog lamps, body color grille surround, 18-inch polished aluminum wheels, power black trailer tow mirrors with manual foldaway, chrome flat, wall-to-wall side steps, premium cloth bucket seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 3.5-inch cluster TFT color display, Park View rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, remote start system, 40-20-40 split bench seat, deployable bed step, LED bed lighting, spray and bed liner, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5420.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.